Alright guys, welcome to another episode where I get to talk about cryptocurrency. Okay, and on this video I'm going to be talking about how you can day trade on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Alright, but first of all, this is coin market cap, and as you can see today is pretty green. Yeah, when the day started I actually made a video about 20 minutes and found out that there was no audio. God, it was so devastating. So I'm just gonna start all over again. It's one of those things, I guess. All right. Okay. So the land is pretty green, and all that. In case you don't know what the trading means, the trading is um, simply just trading daily for profit. Okay, buy and sell crypto coins and make some profit. All right. So the first thing you want to do is get an account with Binance. All right. If you don't have a Binance account, below this video you find a link to get an account with Binance. And if you don't know how to go about that, I still have a video on this channel you can watch and be able to um, you know how you can get registered. And also, if you don't understand the exchange uh, dashboard, I have a video also explaining all the widgets right on the dashboard. Okay, so everything you have here now have it already explained on the video. Okay, so you'll find it somewhere uh, on my channel. Okay, I think I'll link to it on this video. All right, so you should be able to check it out. So let's go pretty straight to why you clicked on this video. Okay, how you can start the trading quickly. All right, so the first thing you want to know is this chart. This is all you need. This chart here to start the trading. Okay, the moving exponentials and the MACD is pretty all you need. Forget about any other indicators out there. You don't need any other indicator. This is all you need, okay, to be able to start the trading. Okay, these moving exponentials and the MACD. Another place that you'll find more interesting to have this more clear for you, to you is trading view. Go to trading view. Okay, now what you see here, these things you see, they are called candlesticks. Okay, which indicates uh, the movement of the market going up or down. If it's green, okay, you see lots of persons are buying into it. Okay, so it starts shooting up. If it's red, a lot of persons are selling and it start falling. Right, so that's pretty much what is happening right there. Those are the candlestick to indicate the movement of the market. So when you come over to getting an account with TradingView is quite easy. Okay, so another thing you want to do, because you want to day trade and you want to pull out daily, you go to coin market cap, go to trending, go to gainers and losers for the day. So within the last 24 hours, you're able to see gainers and losers within the last 24 hours. And the last time I came here, last video I did Genesis Vision. So let's see if it's still here. Genesis Vision. Okay, it's not here. But then you'll be able to see the biggest gainers and the biggest losers. Okay, and you want to make sure that at least the trade volume is at least $10 million. Okay, so if you want to look here now, you want to see what you want to trade. You want to look at either Walton, high performance block, party, parts, whatever that is. So these are some of the things you want to look at. Let's say, let's use Walton WTC. Okay, so it's on Binance. Okay, come over here, then here you say WTC what see it here, Binance. Click on it, go to interactive chart. Okay. Once you have this loaded up, now this is not what this is from the last video I did, so I'm going to close out everything. Now, once you log in or you get to the interactive chart, okay, this is what you will see, right? You will not really get a full view of what was here initially when I logged in. So what you need to do is, and for the background, you can always change that. Okay, all you need to do is come to the settings. All right, go to background and you can make it the theme light or dark. You can just play around that and be able to figure that out. Okay, it's quite easy. So what we want to do now is get indicators. I want to say moving exponential. Okay, average exponential. Right. One two of that. So now for this we are going to change this to 13. So for every 13 candlesticks, this is what we're going to get. The style, make it okay. Let's make this a little bit darker, right? Then this, I'm going to make it it's not really that obvious, so something lighter, something lighter. Okay, cool. And I'm going to make this 34, so for every 34 sticks. All right. So now, another thing I want us to add here is MACD. So this is pretty much like what we have on Binance right here. Okay, it's in Binance and was here. All right. So now what you want to take note of is these points of intersection. Okay, these points of intersection. Are you seeing it, guys? All right. Sorry about that. Now this is a histogram, right? And this is the point whereby nothing is happening on the market, 0 points. Right, using the histogram. Now, one thing you want to take note of is this. Anytime the blue or whichever color you're using is below the red, you should start buying. And anytime it's above, after the cross, you can see the cross here, you should start what? Selling. Okay. Now you can see the cross using the MACD here. So at this point, you want to start selling. Okay. So like you can see this point, this cross here, this point, start selling. No, sorry, start buying. Okay. At this point, you start buying. All right. Yeah, start buying. You see it right here. Start buying. And you can also buy here. Okay, you can see here. You can also buy somewhere here. Then at this point, you still want to wait a little. Okay. Here you want to buy. You don't want to sell here. Um, this is where you want to sell. You want to sell and get some profit out from here. Okay. Here you can see right here from this point. At this intersection, all this, you want to start selling. Now on this intersection, another intersection right here, you can start selling. Okay, so from this point upward, you want to start selling. So That's how you use the trading view to be able to know when to sell and when to buy. One thing you just have to take note is that whenever the blue is below the red, you buy. Whenever it's above, you sell. All right. And you want to watch out from the point of intersection. Okay, the point whereby they are intersecting. You see it. So once the histogram is falling down and is after an intersection, you want to start selling. Okay, and after an intersection and it starts rising up, you want to start selling. Okay, start buying, selling. So I hope you understand that the same thing is actually happening here, but it might not be really clear on this board. But it's the same thing that is happening right on TradingView that's happening here. Another thing you want to take note of right here is how you place your orders, because you don't just want to come in here and just start. You just sit on your what's it called, on your share, and you start staring at your PC. See this thing is unresponsive, and start staring at your PC is going to waste your time, and it will make you not really be productive at other things. So you want to use what this fixture that Binance has, which is the stop limit. Okay, the stop limits will help you to buy at the best prices and sell in order to minimize your losses. Okay, so you want to use these features known as the stop limit. Now, if you want to buy, let's say for instance, the lowest price here is this. Okay, now at this point, this is the stop. So anything above this is not going, you are not going to buy. All right. Now, once you've done this, you want to make sure the limit should be lower than the stop. Okay, so you want to have something like, let's say, uh, 2. Okay, let's say 299. Now, once it's below the stop, it's going to start buying into it, and you just indicate the number of coins you want to buy, or however. Our advice, if you're starting trading, not the trading, you should have a minimum of $500. 1,000 is just perfect. If you can start with 1,000, that's unless you really want to just wait and you have so much patience. Okay, if not, starting with $1,000 is just perfect to do this. Okay, so once you do that, you click on buy. It's going to place your order. So once the market falls below this, it's going to be triggered. Okay, and you start buying at this point. I hope that is understandable. Okay, I hope you understand that. So that's that for buying. Now, on selling, this is the stop and this is the limit. On stop is where you want to make sure you don't want to sell below this price in order to minimize your losses. So let's say you bought at this, okay, well, you successfully bought at this. You want to be selling somewhere, say 2.4, okay, and that would be okay. Let's say your stop limit will be at let's say 3. All right, 2399, and then your limit will be let's put it at 4. So that's 6 is fine. Okay, so that's 6. So and then you type in the volume or the amount of coins you want to sell, right? So once it gets to this point, anything below this is not going to sell. Anything above, once it gets to this point, it's going to start triggering and it's going to start buying. It's going to buy at this point. Okay, so you can just place these orders after checking your charts, of course, using TradingView and even using what you have here on Binance. You place your orders, okay, and it will be here. You have them as your open orders. So once your set price is triggered, the order goes through, and then you buy or you sell. Okay, so that's it, guys. Pretty easy. Okay, so once you get this thing wrapped up, believe me, you don't need any other video. You don't need any other thing to start trading. on Binance. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, and have fun.